Everybody, it's David Chinelli here. We are with Spaces Collective co-owner, my lovely wife, Natalie Chinelli. And this is Stages Corner. All right, Nat, we're noticing that there are some people that, more recent than other years, are converting their rental properties, and now they're opting to put them on the market, kick out their tenants and put it on the market. Well, not kick out, or the tenants moving out, as opposed to renting them out again. They're selling them. Mm-hmm. Is there some challenges for you guys when it comes to that?
There definitely is. There's a lot of challenges, and we're seeing it a lot more often. Second, third properties are being put on the market now. One of the biggest things is that you don't really know what you need to prep in terms of what you're going to need to do to the unit in terms of staging and repair, maybe painting, while the tenant is in there. So you always need to give yourself a couple of days buffer from the time the tenant gets out to get in there, get everything you need to do done to properly prepare it for staging. We see it more often than not. The cleaning takes longer than anticipated. The painting takes longer. There's, you move the bed and there's like holes in the wall that need to be repaired, or you move a sofa and under the rug, and then you move the rug, and then under the floorboard on the floorboards, it's like a vinyl piece that needs to be replaced and repaired, and all these things take time. So you always want to give yourself that little bit of extra buffer than you think you might need between the tenant moving out and getting the project on the property on MLS.
That's a long one. Yeah. All right, great tip. Thanks, guys. Yeah.